All right, guys, it's real simple. I'm just trying to take the click pop off of this template that I chose. I'm sorry, I'm in the light. You can't really, it's blinded. But basically, I chose a click pop template, and I love the template because it fits what I'm trying to do. God, this light is bright. Sorry about that. See if we can cut that one off. Hold on 1 second. It's raining in my area. So I did this video. There we go. So basically, I'm trying to do this, guys. So when I do the preview for my page, I just want to show you what happens. All right, so this is the page, right? So if I were to go to try to exit this off, watch what's going to happen. I'm trying to remove that because this, I can't edit it. I don't know how to edit it, right? It could be fine there, but the logo that's not mine, I don't know how to edit it. I would just say just remove it. So I don't know how to remove it. So that's all I'm trying to figure out is keep getting this drop down and this click pop from moving on my page. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you. Just tell me how to do that. Thank you.